The Canary, a poem written by Vasiliki Kalahani from Corinthia, Greece. I hate the man who lives nearby. In a cage he has imprisoned my little princess, a yellow canary that lives in darkness, a yellow canary that sings through the day. A cage, her house, is just across sunrise, just across the horizon where fairies and spirits meet. I know her melodies. That's where she's truly singing. That's where she's truly dancing, and not in the wired cage. I hate that man who lives nearby, who doesn't respect my princess, who doesn't feel her true life. My canary is golden. She passes through twilight, and with Lady Moon at night, she speaks with the bright stars. My canary is my lost tenderness, my precious moments that are leaving, my poetic, sensational moments that fly through the skies. Oh, I hate that man who doesn't love my little princess. I'll free my pure, exquisite canary. That's a sign of magic and endurance in my ordinary, dull life. I'll free its dynamic spirit, and as it will be flying, I'll just ask it to take me along with it, away, away from the cruelty that always tears my heart apart. This poem is included in the magazine Creature Features, The Arc of Writing, published by Ruby Andredakis in Cyprus, Greece. It's issue 24 and the year is 2017. Thank you, my dear listeners, for being with me. Have a beautiful life, free and wonderful in the skies.